Experiencing login problems with Rogers or Xfinity? You're not alone. As of November 2025, many users face issues with passwords, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and server status. Let's address how to fix these problems. First, check if there's a known outage. Visit Rogers' status page at status.rogers.com or Xfinity's at xfinity.com/support/status. Also, use Down Detector for community reports. If servers are up, the issue is likely on your end. Begin with basic steps. Verify your internet connection, clear your browser cache, and try logging in on multiple devices to isolate the problem. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, focus on password issues. Weak or forgotten passwords cause many login failures. Always reset your password using official links from Rogers or Xfinity websites to avoid phishing scams. For two-factor authentication problems, use backup codes to temporarily bypass 2FA if available. Rogers offers SMS, authenticator apps, or hardware keys. Xfinity integrates with its ecosystem, including voice calls for verification. If all else fails, contact support directly. For Rogers, call 1-800-ROGERS. For Xfinity, call 1-800-XFINITY. Remember recent issues. Rogers had a widespread outage in October 2025 due to server migration for 5G expansion. Xfinity faced a ransomware-related disruption in September 2025.